Archbishop Lambert Binumugisha ebyabigambo byabanata himukona beje umunana ahitendekero lya Bishop Stewart University.
One writer said he was reflecting about the 5 deaths of the faith through different epochs of history.
Archbishop Lambert nagamba ngo abantu binjo mu ihanga hatano bagira ngo emyete siskire eci yabashaba ngo barwanise obwe barukwe HTNSA na no kukora byembabazi.
So young people be missionaries of optimism. Don't let pessimism overtake your lifestyle.
Omushija wa Ruhangogu owabaye bembiro kushaba kwa Sunday yembabazi ningashi Divine Sunday yashaba beji okutomutuma hakushoma kandi bakayamba nabazire babo.
From the moment of giving birth to you, they come in disability. They come to me the same. Some are psychological, some are physical, some are social disability, some are economic.
Grace Lambert Binumugisha kandi yatayahira beji yabateka he mukono twenda kusimara hanga munonga ahabwe iki yakora kandi okukira munonga ya emphasizing kugira ngo ije ni Sunday yembabazi, it's a divine mercy Sunday kugira ngo turebe ko twakubasa kwatiraho hamwe tukaguma hamwe kandi tukaguma mu babazezo.
Abana nitubakabura kugira ngo bagendere mu mihanda birungi baruke aha artificial life bazi aha real life bamanye kibalesire mu university mu no kurabyo kutajya kushoma ko nkabimo na interaction na creating friends konka bareke kugendera byensi.
Ahabwa TV West and area Sartugusa.